Hello, hello, I'm Anthony. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, I am a marathon runner based out of Los Angeles, but actually I live about an hour and a half from Los Angeles. I live here in Antelope Valley, and I'm here at the Poppy Reserve. This is actually one of the big landmarks here of my community, and it is full bloom season here in springtime. So everybody is out here taking pictures and hanging out. And I thought, what a great opportunity for me to actually get some filming of it, to practice with my new drone, and actually get a little run in. So come on with me and see the beauty of my community.